So here we are in Ghent, a city known for its historic streets, impressive churches and medieval architecture. First stop is St. Nicholas Church, one of the most iconic landmarks in the city. Right beside stands the Belfry Tower. Offering panoramic views over Ghent. Next, we head to the St. Bavo Cathedral, famous for its stunning interior and for housing the Adoration of the Mystic Lamb, one of the most celebrated paintings in the world. From there we continue to the City Hall of Ghent. Before making our way to Gravensteen, the castle of the counts. It's a medieval fortress in the heart of the city, known for its historic walls and views over Ghent. Exploring it gives a strong sense of the city past. To finish Ghent, we took a boat tour through the canals, seeing the city from a different perspective before heading to the train station. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe for more. All support is definitely appreciated. Tell me what you think of Ghent and click these videos if you want to see other cities of Belgium. Peace.